I thought I'd share just something pretty to play over the weekend if you want. Um, so it's E major, and you're just going to use string 5, 4, and 2. So it's this is 7th fret, 9th fret, skip a string, and then also 9th fret. It's a lot of tune, it's okay. Then go to C sharp minor, which is on the 4th fret, and it's 4, 6, and 5. Then to B major, 2, 4, and 4. And then A, which is open 2, 2. It sounds like this. Again. I just love how you could make, it's only 3 notes at a time, and to me it just sounds just such a beautiful sound. You just have fun with that over the weekend. So E major, C sharp minor, B major, and A major. So that's the 1 chord, minor 6, 5, and 4. And then you can just mess around with it, see what you come up with.